Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In the previous two videos we have studied some of the figures of speech. In this video we will study the remaining figures of speech. First is climax. When ideas are presented in an ascending order of importance it is called climax. सार अलंकार. या अलंकारात चढत्या क्रमाने वस्तूच्या महत्वानुसार वस्तूंचा उल्लेख केला जातो. For example, I have no rest, nor joy, nor peace. He came, he saw, he conquered. To be a friend of every tree, of every bird, and flower and bee. I came home, ate and slept. To see this lovely house and car and all. Next figure of speech is anticlimax. When ideas are presented in a descending order of importance, it is called anticlimax. प्रतिसार अलंकार. या अलंकारात वस्तूंचा उल्लेख उतरत्या क्रमाने होतो. For example, flower, snail, shell and bits of glass. Second example, or help to half a crown. The soldier fights for the glory and a shilling a day. So he swore by the sun, the moon and the star. The forest comprises hills and valleys, waterfalls and brooks. Next figure of speech, transferred epithet. When an epithet means adjective, is transferred from its proper word to another that is closely associated with it in the sentence, it is called ट्रान्सफर्ड इपिथेट. परावर्तित गुणविशेष. या अलंकारात विशेषण योग्य नामापूर्वी वापरण्याऐवजी ते दुसऱ्याच एखाद्या नामाआधी वापरले जाते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, शी पास्ड अ स्लीपलेस नाइट्स. हियर नाइट्स कॅन नॉट बी स्लीपलेस. शी माइट बी स्लीपलेस बट नॉट द नाइट. That's why the figure of speech is transferred epithet. A pilgrim going a lone highway. The adjective lone is transferred from pilgrim to highway. That's why the figure of speech is transferred epithet. The poet tossed his head on the sleepless pillow. Another example, content to breathe his native air. Here the quality native is transferred from place to the air. Suburb slide past his unseeing eyes. The epithet unseeing has been transferred from poet to the eyes. Next figure of speech is tautology. When different words of the same meaning are used in a line, it is called tautology. एकाच अर्थाचे शब्द पुन्हा पुन्हा वाक्यात येतात तेव्हा tautology हा अलंकार होतो. For example, at some old ancient inn. Here old and ancient mean same. Sing of the filth and dirt. This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. The words over and through mean the same. That is, the meaning is come to an end. She is smart, intelligent and brainy. All these three adjectives have the same meaning. Next figure of speech is paradox. A paradox is a statement that seems to be self-contradictory but it has an element of truth. विरोधाचा आभास निर्माण करण्यासाठी विरोधाभास या अलंकाराचा वापर केला जातो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, द रिच मॅन इज पुअरर दॅन अ पुअर मॅन. ही हू goes against the fashion is himself its slave. Let him be rich and weary. Two incompatible ideas are reconciled here. Another example, suburbs slide past his unseeing eyes. I can see you, though I am blind. Next figure of speech is exclamation. When strong feeling is expressed, it is called exclamation. उत्स्फूर्त भावनांचा आविर्भाव व्यक्त होतो त्या अलंकाराला exclamation किंवा उद्गार सूचक अलंकार म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, stop here or gently pass. Oh, talk not to me. When I had money, money oh. But now I have no money oh. Oh Christ. The last figure of speech is interrogation. When a question is asked not for the sake of getting an answer, but to put a point more effectively, it is called interrogation or rhetorical question. ज्या प्रश्नामध्येच त्याचे उत्तर सामावलेले असते. या प्रश्नांचा वापर उत्तर मिळवण्यासाठी नाही तर आपले म्हणणे परिणामकारकरित्या ठसवून सांगण्यासाठी केला जातो. तेव्हा इंटरोगेशन हा अलंकार असतो. त्याला मराठीत आपण परिपृच्छ अलंकार म्हणतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वाय वेस्ट युअर टाइम इन बिल्डिंग हिअर? इज एनीबडी हॅपियर बिकॉज यू पास्ड हिज वे? Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along? Another example, did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? In this way, today we should conclude this video. In this video, we have studied some of the figures of speech. All the figures of speech, those are important for examination point of view. We have studied all those figures of speech. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for future updates. We will meet in a new video with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.